In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable touchpad on Windows 11 laptop. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable touchpad on Windows 11 laptop, go to search and type control panel. Click on control panel. By default, category view is showing. Click on the drop down menu and select large icons. Here you will find mouse. Click on mouse and then click on touchpad tab, and here look, the touchpad is disabled. That's why disabled icon is grayed out and enabled icon is active. Now click on enable icon, and now touchpad is enabled. Then click on apply, click on OK. This is the easiest way to enable touchpad on Windows 11 laptop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.